I'm Professor Rad, and in this video, we're going to continue the conversation we started in the last video about percentages. So in the last video, we talked about how percent means per 100 or percent means hundredth. So if I want to go from 71%, I can do so by putting the 1, which is in the ones place, into the hundredths place. So 71% is the same as 71 hundredths. So today we're going to go in the opposite order. We're going to take something that looks like a decimal and turn it into a percentage. So in order to do that, we have to reverse the process we did before. So before, we took the digit that was in the ones place and we put it into the hundredths place. So now to go backwards, we're going to take whatever digit is in the hundredths place, meaning 2 spots after a decimal point, and move it so that it becomes in the ones place. So for example, if I look at 0.012, this 1 is in the hundredths place because it's the second spot after the decimal point. So to turn it into a percentage, I need to put that 1 in the ones place. So remember, the 1 is the spot immediately to the left of a decimal point. So here we have zeros to the left of that 1, so we don't need that there. And then we had a 2 in the next spot to the right. So we'll put a 2 in the next spot to the right. So 0.012 is the same as 1.2%, or 12 thousandths is the same as 1.2%. Let's take a look at this one. So here we have 0.63. So the digit that's in the hundredths place is the 3. So we have to move that digit from the hundredths into the ones place. This time there is nothing to the right of it, so I don't have to write anything over to the right, but we did have a 6 just to the left of the 3. So we'll move the 6 just to the left of the 3. And because we didn't have to put anything to the right, I don't have to write the decimal point in my answer. So 0.63 is the same as 63%. And if I check this conceptually, 63% is the same as 63 hundredths because percent means hundredths. So there we go. That's how you can use place value to go from a decimal form of a number into its percentage form. So in the last video and in this one, we used place value to rewrite percentages and kind of use that concept. In the next video, we're going to use a shortcut, which you may have seen before, where we just move the decimal point to change from one form to another. So if this method makes sense to you, then this is a good one for you to use and adapt to. If this was a little bit confusing, that's okay. We're going to look at another method in the next video. That's one of the really nice parts about math, is often there are multiple correct methods to achieving the same goal. So if this didn't make a whole lot of sense, don't worry, in our next video, we'll look at another technique. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.